So one of the things I've done on the way back out to Halong is drop off at a handicrafts place, and I'll find out the name of this and put it below, but they make pottery, suffice to say, and we're going to go in and have a bit of a look. I don't exactly know what it's called, so I can't rattle that off to you, but I will get the name and put it underneath. It's some sort of handicrafts place, and very worth a visit. They sell a lot of vases and pottery and pots here, and useful to see. I just wish I could take some of these home. All right, let's go on in.
Just lacing up.
Lots of nice pottery out here. Well worth a visit. About 20 minutes out of Hanoi, on the way back to Halong, and it's got a taxi to pull in here to have a look. So you can come here and do your own pottery. What a great spot. And of course, we've got the lady and the gentleman here actually doing it. More people over the back doing more. Amazing. Bat Trang.